Come and join us today at the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Studios Florida. We're going to show you all the perks to staying here, the food, express, the pool, and more.
All right, today we're at Hard Rock Hotel. We're going to check out our room.
See some rock and roll memorabilia.
Yes, Rick's going to help with that. And of course, we'll show the pool, all the fun stuff.
And the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen's so good.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
So one of the biggest perks to staying here is the express passes. You're going to want to check in really early, even before your room is ready, so you can get those express passes and head to the park. We had just stayed at Portofino Bay and the Minion Room, so we went from one hotel to the other. We were getting there a little bit later, but to be honest, in May it is a little bit cheaper because the parks aren't as busy, so we weren't as stressed. And you get express on check-in day and checkout day, so technically one night stay can give you 2 days of express for up to 5 people. In this trip at the Hard Rock, we got a deluxe room with a queen and 2 beds.
Here is the beautiful bathroom. I keep saying that.
It's much smaller.
Here's another beautiful bathroom.
Yeah, it is smaller than the Portofino Bay one.
A shower curtain, so you can do private other things. And here's another beautiful couch. He really decorated it with pillows. And here's a bed. Here are 2 beautiful beds.
Quiet please and be nice.
And
That's cute.
here is the TV. 2 chairs
Okay.
for if you needed breakfast. It got a piece on it, and here's
another piece symbol. TV. Oh, we got TV and like a decoration of what, records?
Yeah, it looks like records.
And a desk area.
I like this. I like how open it is.
The view's not bad either.
This is a deluxe queen this time. I can't remember what we got last time, but that comes like a little sofa, and there's some cabinet space to put your stuff, some plugins, USB port, a bloody stained mirror,
Oh my god!
a clock, and a telephone.
Mirror with marinara sauce on it.
With marinara sauce. Yeah, we're going to put the waters away. We're not going to buy the Fiji. There's the coffee, just like any of the other hotels. This looks like Rick's at a changing table. Oh, they have like a nice little closet over here too, in this little nook area. Oh, laundry, they can do your laundry. The safe and the hair dryer, extra pillows and sheets, ironing board in here. And then back to the kitchen and vanity area and the bathroom. And the view over here, I think this is where the water taxi is actually. So the water taxi is just back there. And they got this little like courtyard area where we walked to the park. Breakfast griddles, pancakes, omelet, chicken tenders, salads, cereal $6. Cheeseburgers 21, pizza, desserts, Oreo cookie cheesecake. Yeah, coffee, late night events until from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So you can get pretty much any time. You can get room service.
Wines.
We did once at Sapphire Falls and it was amazing. It is a really nice room, and the beds at the premier resorts are always going to be better than the value resorts. Very spacious. I love the little details in here too. Obviously everything music themed, and they even have a music video channel, which I did not know was a thing, and another channel on how to play a guitar. I guess that is exclusive to the Hard Rock Hotel, at least for the Universal hotels. It shows how tall, okay, Snoop Dogg, Justin Timberlake, Adele, Beyonce, Madonna, Lady Gaga. You are as tall as Shirley Temple. Shirley Temple.
Who's Shirley Temple?
Was a famous actress. So next up we're going to go to the kitchen, which they have these magicians Wednesdays and Fridays from 6 to 10 p.m. And it's crazy because we actually went 3 years ago and we must have went on the same day. So I'm glad they do still have the magicians while you eat. It's something fun to do while you wait for your meal. Now these prices can be a little expensive, but it is a scratch kitchen. Not huge portions except for the dessert we're going to show at the very end.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Point one. Which one?
What? Put
That
your finger
one?
on it. There you
Alright, there we go. Jack. Oh, Jack.
go. Look at that.
It's called a jack.
Wow. Say stop.
Stop.
Whoa.
Another Jack.
2 Jacks.
Okay. I'll stop.
Look at that.
A number between 10 and 20.
14.
14. I just cut 14 out. 12, 13, 14. One. You hold that one. One. Don't let go. Jam the magic carpet. I'm gonna make mine and yours disappear. Okay? Can you feel yours in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
I
you.
did mine.
Thank you.
Like this.
What?
the heck? Mine's gone. Is yours gone? Put your hand up.
Open it up.
Look at them both.
Because you have them both.
A hand. A couple of circles. Tap it again. That should do it. That's gonna make them all melt together. Take a look.
Oh my god!
That's a 4.
Is that? It's the number.
And again, more music memorabilia. I'm gonna have Rick take you around just a couple of the neat things they have behind glass.
Frank Sinatra. Something that he owned, I guess. I don't think that Frank Sinatra actually wore this, but he wore it, but he didn't wear it like singing, of course, but he owned it. There's a Michael Jackson jacket. I guess on bad video. This Fergie. It is a gold, this is from White Zombie right here. Oh, for Pink Floyd. Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool. And Aerosmith Rocks. That was my personal favorite. Alright, this guitar I don't believe is actually used, but it's signed by all the Aerosmith members. And here's something that Tyler wore right here. This scarf was used by Steven on his mic stand. Yeah. These are earrings. Here's a Slipknot signed guitar right here. One of my favorite bands. Here's Nikki Sixx guitar right here. Well, it's bass. Anyway. Alright, I want to say that's about it for our little tour. Extra cheesy pizza for Vanessa. Crispy chicken tenders from Jack. Those look good with fries.
I got scallops, pork belly, risotto, and tomatoes.
I got honey brined chicken with mashed potatoes, chicken gravy, and steamed green beans.
This is way too hot.
Is it too hot? The 2 times we've eaten here have been really good, and in the morning they have a breakfast buffet, which is another good choice. A little expensive, but good. Rick, what do you think of your chicken?
Yeah.
I like the chicken. It is juicy.
Very good.
It's it looks like it's burnt, but I think it's the way it's supposed to look. It doesn't taste burnt at all.
Okay.
It's a nice brine that they put this in.
Okay.
Mashed
the gravy.
potatoes to me, yeah, the mashed potatoes and the gravy, that's like very nice. Yeah. And these steamed green beans are really good too. They're nice and garlicky. I like them. I like them.
You have to try mine too. I
This
really
is the
like.
best restaurant
Is it?
in the Hard Rock Hotel.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you like it. Okay. Well, no, there's another one. Cabana Bay. Oh yeah, it is way better than Cabana Bay. I like the way that the scallops are
They're nice and
seared.
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 Yeah.
And then I like the pork belly too. So it's a lot of risotto, yeah.
I love that. I love
You can
that.
have some.
Cheers.
Have that. That's really good.
Cheers.
That's really good.
But the fries are heaven.
Wow. It's a brick oven. It's a brick oven style. You can tell by the bottom of it. There's the ice
Oh
cream.
my god.
Oh my god. We don't even need that. All right, we got our 7. It's got the kitchen sink. We kept calling it the 7-layer, but it's actually a kitchen sink. Is what they're calling it. So it is 7 layers of heaven. We got brownie. We got peanut butter. We got peanut butter cream. We got chocolate chunk cookie. We got red velvet cake. We got vanilla cheesecake and devil's food cake, chocolate cake, and vanilla chiffon.
What about that?
Chocolate sauce and a vanilla bean ice cream, which is this one right here. And look at this massive piece of art. Look at this. Okay. This is my hand. Okay. Look at how massive this is.
This is mine.
This is gonna feed 12 people.
That's a delicious chocolate guitar.
When we had it 3 years ago, I still remember it was really good, but they changed some of the recipe. I believe one of the layers was some sort of pie. That tastes wonderful.
The best cake ever. Better than birthday cake.
Of course, it's going to be too much to eat. We did get a to-go box, but it's something you gotta do at least once.
I put a pencil right there, and then,
Whoa, it's gone. That's amazing.
then there was 2 pencils.
How do you guys like the cake?
Great. Are better than me.
Yeah?
Better than birthday cake.
Do you have a favorite
Better
part of it, or
than-
you just like it all?
Great. Love it all.
Love it all.
I like the red velvet though.
You like the red velvet?
Yeah.
Kind of got it
Cheesecake
tore
was
up.
good. It's right there.
The cheesecake.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's better than metal.
Well, yeah.
This is really good. It's filling. It's expensive, so it's not something we would get all the time.
No,
But it's definitely worth a treat every 3 years.
it's just fun to have.
Yeah.
Whether you eat it
All
or
the
not,
layers.
this is fun to have.
Kind of reminds me of like the messiness of the kitchen sink when we were at the Beaches and Cream, like something crazy like that.
Yeah.
Messy but
Just
fun.
fun. It's a fun. They make everything from scratch.
Yeah, it's a scratch kitchen.
Portion size is good. The flavor was good. You know, and it makes it all better. Then when the kitchen sink comes out, you forget about everything else.
Yeah, careful, she's gonna tear it up. Slowly devouring it. This looks like a big glob of dessert. It doesn't look, it just looks like a mess. And right next to the kitchen, they do have a market if you don't want to eat there. They have some quick service like pizza, espressos, cappuccinos. They have different snacks, candies, cold beverages, and a Coke freestyle machine. We always like to get refills of water with those. They also have other things like pastries. They have things like sunscreen and items for the pool. $25 for a pool float though. You might want to bring your own. Another big convenience to the Hard Rock is it's walking distance to the park, so very close to Universal Studios, about a 5 or 10 minute walk, or you can take the water taxi. And we're gonna go around the pool to show you the small arcade. Alright, so the arcade is really small here. They just got a few things, the air hockey, the car, Pac-Man, Super Thrills, Walking Dead, a little motion theater, oh, rabbits! How cool! Jurassic Park, and Mario Kart, and the basketball.
Bunny Boy is your favorite.
Okay, let's go look at the rock shop real quick. So I never actually looked at it much last time. Okay. Shirts! Shirts! They got a lot of Hard Rock merch. Those are cute, but I like it when they're shiny. Like the orange ones are cool. Handsome. Gene Simmons or JoJo Siwa.
Oh wow, this is his car. Come here, look. This is
Oh, I like the Hard Rock hoodie over here.
It's the bass he played.
That's pretty cool.
Ooh, can I have a mannequin?
Yeah, you can have a mannequin.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I have a little guitar here. I got some cool merch. Oh, and a bear! He is so fluffy. There's some stuff in case you forget to pack medicine, stuff like that. Oh, I like that shirt or that one. It looks like you got a guitar or you're like a DJ or something. Yeah,
It's a
rock
plate.
stars. Look up the glass. Is there something special in there?
Yes. These are knitted.
Oh, okay.
I
like the camera.
heart.
The camera's super cute.
I like the heart.
I do too. Save the planet.
That's cool.
Oh, up there is neat too. Out of all the Universal hotels we've been to, the Hard Rock definitely has the most hotel merch. Some of the hotels, it's hard to find anything that says the name of the hotel. But there is a Hard Rock Cafe at City Walk. We have not eaten there yet. My goal is to try all the City Walk restaurants, but I'm sure they have merch there too. And for those that like keychains and pins, there's some options as well as magnets and lanyards for a cheaper souvenir. It's really impossible to show all of the music memorabilia around the hotel, but there really is a lot. There's a lot of outfits, a lot of guitars, and things that are autographed. And then in the main lobby, you have a bar, and then you have another another like high class kind of restaurant. And sometimes they have complimentary water with the fruit inside. It's really nice to have, refreshing, especially during this heat. So we headed back up to the room and got ready to go down to the pool. So I'm going to show a little bit of that. The pool usually is pretty empty during the day. So of course, when the parks are closed, people are going to go to the pool next. We grabbed some towels, which are complimentary, and then we found a spot to set our stuff and hopped in. What I like about the Hard Rock pool is that it's not super deep. The only deep spot is around the lifeguard on the right, which is about 5 feet or so, but the rest of the pool is only around 3 or 4 feet, which isn't too bad. And they were playing a movie at night, which was Madagascar 2, and I asked the kids if they wanted to go on the slide with me. Well, it was in the day and there wasn't that many people, and now it's nighttime.
Watch this underwater. In 3, 2, 1.
You know? It is cold, it is cold. Ready? Okay. Bye. Yippee! Woohoo! This is a fun one. Pretty long too. Oh, well, there's a drop. So when they get going faster, and then woo! A puck gets next.
I think it's neat how they have a volleyball court. Is that fun? Yeah.
It's pretty long. Volleyball. This part is like super shallow. You can like sit right here.
The current.
Oh, the current. Yeah.
Pushing you back.
Pushing you back. Let's go right there. Bye, buddy. Do it again?
Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, he's done. And here. Don't worry. It's very dark. It's very. Stay free.
He did it backwards. The pool is definitely the highlight for the kids. I could take it or leave it, but my kids insist on swimming every time, which is perfectly fine, but there are a lot of great hotels that have other good pools. I would say my top favorites would be Cabana Bay because they have a lazy river, and even Sapphire Falls has a nice pool, but this one is, I would say, an average one. It's nice that it at least has a slide and it's not super deep. I stopped by to kind of show what it looks like in the day, and then we're gonna head over to the park, show you the walk and the ride back from the water taxi. They also had a spa in here called Body Rock. That's one thing we found on the way to the water taxi, and back this way they have a small gym. I couldn't see it on the other side. This is the butterfly garden. We were here before.
Yeah, it looks way better right now.
And this whole thing is shaped as a butterfly, hence the name. So I think one of these viewed rooms would be over here. It is a nice walk to the park, only about a 5 or 10 minute walk to Universal Studios. The closest hotel to Islands of Adventure would then be Royal Pacific. But I like the view up here of City Walk and the Universal Globe. The day that we filmed this, we did the day where the characters planned what we did, so that's fun. I'll link that down below. And of course, the other perk I mentioned was the water taxi about every 15 minutes or so. Sometimes it's just easier to walk though, especially from the Hard Rock. But there's 4 hotels that have the water taxi, so the main 3 premier ones and then Sapphire Falls. But the 3 premier, the Hard Rock, Royal Pacific, and Portofino Bay have express, so that's basically what you're paying more for, and maybe more comfortable beds. Universal has some great choices for hotels. We have stayed at them all. I think our favorite premier hotel would be Portofino Bay, and then the favorite value resort would be Cabana Bay. Let us know if you have a favorite or if you are planning your own trip to Universal. We would love to hear. The water taxi could take longer if you have to wait for the actual boat because the walk is so short, but it was such a hot day that we just wanted to stay in the shade. This hotel can range from $300 to $1,000 a night depending on when you visit. We always book during the cheapest times personally, and down this way you can actually see that walkway that we just took. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions and check out our Universal playlist down below.
Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe. Peace out.
Click these 2 videos next to see the other 2 premier resorts, the top one being Portofino Bay with our recent trip, and the bottom one being Royal Pacific, both great options, as well as the Hard Rock. Thank you for watching.